Hi, this is Dr. Helen. I'm glad you made it to the Ayurveda crash course on rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and common arthritis. I've included Ayurveda self-care tips, herbal remedies for each condition, and an herbal remedy that is good for anyone with any type of arthritis, and the 5 sense therapies. So please take notes, listen again. The exact remedies are very clearly spelled out. You can find all those herbs on either banyanbotanical.com. I think it's banyanbotanicals with an S.com. Or you can find the individual herbs, but I don't really recommend that. Or you can call my office at 707-527-7313, no matter where you are in the world, and we will put the powders together and send you the instructions along with that.
Arthritis. Arthritis is actually an umbrella term for a number of joint diseases, in which one or more of the joints in your body become inflamed and painful. Arthritis can affect people of all ages, though it is most commonly troubling to older people. It varies in severity from mild aches and pains to severe impairment and joint deformity. From an Ayurvedic point of view, arthritis is both a physical and an emotional condition. Repressed, undigested emotions or metabolic ama accumulate throughout the body, but particularly the joints, causing symptoms. Degenerative arthritis is due primarily to a Vata imbalance, and it is known as wandering pain. It is often worsened by windy, cold weather. Inflammatory arthritis is due to a Pitta imbalance, and rheumatoid arthritis arises from a Kapha imbalance. Ayurvedic self-care. Follow the appropriate daily lifestyle regimen for your dosha, making an extra effort to avoid foods in the nightshade family, tomatoes, white potatoes, peppers, and eggplant. Yoga is an excellent way to keep the joints limber and lubricated. Before doing yoga, soak for 20 minutes in a warm bath to which you have added Epsom salts. You will also find deep breathing exercises, pranayama, to be profoundly relaxing. Herbal remedies. For generalized arthritis, choose one of the following. A good general remedy for all doshas is to drink a tea made by combining 1 cup hot water with 1 teaspoon ground ginger and 2 tablespoons castor oil, which contains natural steroids. Drink in the early morning Kapha, midday, Pitta, or evening, Vata. Combine half teaspoon Triphala and 1 tablet Yogaraj Gugalu with half cup warm water, take twice a day following lunch and dinner. Combine 5 parts ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, 2 parts tricketu, 3 parts bala, Sida cordifolia, and 2 parts garlic. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of this mixture with Kapha tea and drink twice a day following lunch and dinner. For degenerative joints, choose one of the following. Take 1 teaspoon ashwagandha with 1 cup warm water, 3 times a day. Mix 1/4 teaspoon ashwagandha with 1 teaspoon ghee, rub on affected joints twice daily. For rheumatoid arthritis, choose one of the following. Combine 1/8 teaspoon Yogaraj Gugalu with 1/4 teaspoon tricketu, take twice daily with Kapha tea after meals. Take 1 tablespoon castor oil once a week to cleanse the system. Take 1 teaspoon each chitrak, plumbago zelanica, gaduchi, Tinospora cordifolia, and turmeric with 1 cup warm water or Vata tea 3 times a day. For rheumatoid joints, choose one of the following. Combine half teaspoon each of ginger, black pepper, pipali, long pepper, and honey, take 3 times a day. Take half teaspoon Triphala with half cup warm water. 5 sense therapies. Taste, sweet, bitter, and astringent foods, spices, and herbs are good for arthritis, so use the summer churna every day. Smell, warm aromas such as clove, mint, and eucalyptus are helpful, especially if you add them to your bath water. Sight, favor the colors red, orange, blue, and violet. Hearing, listen to the sunset raga between the hours of 7 and 10 p.m. or the midday raga between 1 and 4 p.m. Touch, for general relief, apply manarayan oil or mustard oil to the joints and massage with a circular motion before retiring. To make your own mustard oil, combine 4 parts sesame oil with 1 part black mustard seed. For Vata-related arthritis, apply castor oil to your joints and massage gently. For Kapha-related arthritis, do a silk glove massage. Important precautions for arthritis. Different kinds of arthritis. Arthritis is any inflammatory condition of the joints, characterized by pain and swelling. The most common form of arthritis is osteoarthritis, in which one or many joints undergo degenerative changes. The causes may include chemical, mechanical, genetic, metabolic, and endocrine factors. At the onset, one will usually notice pain after exercise or use of the joint, also stiffness and tenderness to the touch. The most frequent joints affected are the hip, knee, and spine, causing greater disability in these areas than in other affected areas. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic, destructive, sometimes deforming collagen disease that has an autoimmune component. It is characterized by thickening and swelling of the joint. Usually appears first in middle age, and is most common in women. It is marked by remissions and exacerbations in its course. Severe rheumatoid arthritis is marked by joint deformity, extensive muscle atrophy, soft tissue lesions, and bone and cartilage destruction. At the onset, one will usually notice fatigue, weakness, and poor appetite, as well as morning stiffness, joint pain or tenderness, swelling of at least 2 joints, and increased tenderness and pain. Microcalcification is a small accumulation of calcium salts in the tissues. Normally, about 99% of all the calcium entering the body goes to the bones and teeth. The remaining 1% is dissolved in body fluids such as the blood. When the delicate balance between calcium and other minerals occurs, the result is calcium deposits. These calcium deposits appear in arteries, kidneys, lung alveoli, and other tissues, interfering with usual organ functions. If pain persists or is accompanied by redness and inflammation, consult your physician.
Hi, this is Dr. Helen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. I invite you to call 707-527-7313 for a personalized Ayurvedic consultation online or in office if you have more questions or need more help.